really mix it.
Look, mama.
See if it pops.
Look, guys, she done found something new now.
We're at the Learning Express.
Guys,
Yeah.
we're doing it again, the fidget haul. Fidget toy shopping, guys.
Fidget toy shopping. Look what Sarah knows how.
Hey Dad, we the Pigatt Family. We the Pigatt Family. We the Pigatt Family. We the Pigatt Family. Having some fun pursuing our dreams. You see, God is supreme. He gave us $1 and a dream. So come along with us. We the Pigatt Family. We the Pigatt. Don't forget. We the Pigatt. Don't forget with the podcast. Oh.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the Pigatt Family! Hey guys, look, we like to take a second and say thank you. Now that we monetize, we gotta do a little bit more to get videos happening and popping a little bit more. So guys, look, today we're getting ready to go fidget toy shopping! And today we're going to where? Learning Express! Guys, the video did so good, so we want to do it again to keep it going, you guys. So please, remember, now this is something we want to do something a little bit different for y'all now. We're supposed to give y'all a little countdown to make y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, but we want to do something a little bit different. Why? Because we're the Pigatt Family. So we're not original, I don't know who is, guys. So tell us what y'all think about this here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And what? Hit that bell. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much.
Hey guys. We're at the Learning Express.
What y'all whispering for? Y'all scared? Over here in Pinecrest, y'all, so it's a little different, so y'all bear with us. Learning Express. Why y'all only got them in certain neighborhoods now?
The average share one, so we're gonna check this one out and see if we have a fidget.
Here, Donna.
Oh, I think I found one. Pop it. Oh, okay, that one.
Yeah, we found the popping bag.
Oh, wow. Alright guys, we found some more of these poppets. Oh, that's big, bro. Is that the biggest poppet in the world?
I know.
Is this the biggest poppet that they make?
Yeah.
Wow. That looks like the biggest poppet in the world, guys.
No, this is right here.
Jacob found one too.
Oh, wow.
Because you always finding some candy for baby.
There's one down here.
More down there. Look at these guys. What do you think of these?
Oh, that's fun. I never seen that one before.
That's kind of hard to do it though.
You know what? Let's do the therapy slime. Let's do some good slime.
Y'all want to do slime? You want to get slime today? Okay.
But you know what? We just got a new couch, so
Yeah, sure.
well, stick them in the garage. But seriously.
Sarah, you want this one? You got one at home. I don't know if you want another one.
Sarah, let me see. Let me see the other thing. What is that you got? Sarah. Well, look at what? Oh, look at that. Okay, cool. Look, mama.
See if it pops.
Look, guys, she done found something new now.
Does it pop?
Trying to find the unsearchable poppet. The unsearchable poppets. Now you know what? See, that's something we never do, guys. Yeah, y'all like and comment and tell us, man. Should we do this game right here, the Among Us now? Y'all want us to do this? Who is the imposter?
Who is the imposter?
I think it's Naomi. It's you. Sarah says she's the imposter.
She's the imposter.
It's Caleb. Caleb the imposter.
Caleb's the imposter.
Oh my God. Jacob or Caleb the imposter. Who's the imposter, man?
She obviously like this one. Okay, put this one in there, Sarah. Put that one in there.
That was Sarah. Oh, look at Amanda. What did Amanda find for her brain? What did Amanda find for her brain?
He has a kitty cat like this.
Hey, hey, hey.
He won't let nobody touch him. So Sarah, look what I found, Sarah.
Ooh, look.
Don't tell me where that
kitty
stuff
cat.
from.
I'm playing games. In my kitty cat.
Now she got her own.
I'm
Which one you want?
Daddy, look. There you go.
She gives Daddy one.
They go remember this one?
They're going to Sarah.
Remember this one?
Daddy got a kitty cat. He don't need that one.
I know.
You can keep that one, Sarah.
What?
They done broke the legs off my
Hey, let's build something in Minecraft.
guys.
Wow.
I've been trying to keep them from breaking my kitty cat from the last Fidget toy haul. And they keep breaking my kitty.
Look at this one for me.
Oh, that's cute for you. It looks like you.
Ew,
Juicy pineapple. Hey, look at my wifey. Wifey.
Let me show y'all what he doing. You gotta show your face.
Wifey.
You gotta show your face.
No, I don't. No,
Yes,
I
you
don't.
do. So y'all, say hi. Say hey to the gang.
Sour pineapple.
Let me see, Menda. Let me do that one. Oh, that's the same one Daddy had? No, say hi.
My wife wants this one. I said this looks like my wife, don't it?
Look, you got one too, Sarah? Oh,
Fellas,
go
y'all
ahead.
tell me now if y'all wife ain't like this.
Shut up.
This y'all wife or not?
Shut up.
This is my wife's.
Sarah just putting stuff. Wait, Sarah. Okay, we finally made it here. Yesterday was raining.
You work here?
I do.
Okay.
You guys are viral already, so
We
that's
do
it.
make a lot of TikToks.
So that's it, man. You guys.
Can I record you or no when you say? Okay.
What tell the Pigatt Family YouTube. What is?
Oh, look at that, Jacob.
What is the Fidget toy is all about?
It's about being easy to play with. I keep them in my pockets.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I've got the tangles, which I just, as I'm walking around the store, you play with this one. We have a tool over there.
Oh,
The
okay.
Fidget Cube.
Oh, that's the one you were showing me, Amanda. Oh, the cubes.
About this one.
I think the Fidget Cube is my favorite.
Oh, okay.
It's the Infinity Cube,
The Infinity Cube.
is what it's called, because it's just, you
Can
can
I
play
look
with
at-
it
that's
infinitely, I
different.
guess.
Get out of here.
Okay, that's a different cube. Look at that, Jacob. Would
We
you
have
like
this
that
one,
one?
and then we have the mini one.
Come, Caleb.
Get out of here.
Yeah, so
You
those are my
see?
favorites.
Do they really help with stress? Because you know I'll be stressed out, so I'm like I'm trying. Like really, you know.
And the kids need it.
Depends on the stress. If it's a fidget toy, I think it's more if you're anxious. If you're anxious and you need to do something, you need something to play with, I think fidget toys help. If you're stressed, I'd go for the stress balls.
The stress ball.
This one is probably one of the best ones that we have.
Oh,
Guys,
okay.
I think I need to get a box of them.
But the kids are anxious. My boys are anxious. So we need those things.
Last time they got so much over there, I'm sure I am not gonna get a box.
Yeah.
I said, oh my God, this little thing.
Wow, look at that.
Mom, look
Wow,
at this.
look at that.
Mom, look at
If it's hard to move around, you can also, let me show you.
It is.
Nice necklace, y'all.
Mom, look at this.
Not getting stuck.
Go ahead, turn on the colors.
It has
No, and then you
I'm surprised it's
put 'em
not
back.
getting
Cool.
stuck though.
Yeah, no, it
supposed to be
doesn't.
like
That
a
is
wire.
really, I'm catching it now because it's not getting stuck.
Yeah, they're fun to play with.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, that's you found
That's
one?
what she said.
Man, I
Infinity
found
Coupe.
one.
Oh, that looks cute. That's
Okay, that's cool.
You need to match your finger. You see?
Let me see it.
So,
That's
CC.
cool.
You
Sassy.
see, CC?
Yeah.
Sassy?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, thank
Sassy.
you, Sassy.
Thank you. Say hi to the Pigatt family.
Hello. Happy to help.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Sassy.
Sarah saying hi.
Sassy. Thank you so much.
Wait, where's our
for telling
buggy?
us a little bit more
Oh.
about the Fidgets.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh God. What that pineapple? Oh, that's weird. Look at that.
I felt it. I was like,
Guys, where's your thing of that? Look at that.
I was enjoying it.
Where's my pineapple one?
Sarah?
But this feels cool. Look at that.
And I was liking it. That's the my phone.
Look at that. That's weird. And cool at the same
You gotta
time.
roll it out too.
What daddy got? What daddy got?
Mommy, look at this.
Oh, daddy, big boy's always gonna find some gummy balls or some kind of toy.
Haul, guys.
Oh yeah.
We're doing it again, the Fidget haul. Fidget toy shopping, guys.
Fidget toy shopping. Look what Sarah found.
Out of all the places, out of Target, guys.
Yeah, out of Target, out of all the places. Every time we run, I guess now we know for sure. Because we went to Five Below,
Exactly.
we went to
All the
Target,
places,
we went to
Learning
Walmart.
Express has
The most fidget toys. So if you're looking for fidgets,
Target, every different
Yeah.
place you want to go, Walmart. But if you don't have a Learning Express, because they are few and
yeah,
far
not a lot of
between,
them, yeah.
but if you don't have a lot of them, I mean, the next place.
But you know what? We haven't went to Claire's. I heard Claire's also have it.
Oh, okay.
We'll try Claire's one day, but I think Learning Express outbeats a lot of them
Yeah,
that we've
Learning
been to.
Express has a lot, guys. So you
Yeah.
definitely got to come to Learning Express. We're in Pinecrest.
Yeah.
All the way from Aventura one
To
to
the-
the way down here in Pinecrest. So
And
we
that's
on
south.
Spring.
if you're,
Y'all, please check us out. Check us
yeah,
out.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Tell them, just Sarah, what they gotta
Everything
do.
down, guys. You know, help us
What they
get
gotta do?
our
Like it, like it, like it, like it, and hit that bell. Hit that bell.
All right.
Yeah, I know summertime, guys. Kids gonna need something.
They sell a big float.
Yeah. Now we haven't showed you the squishies. We're gonna show you the squishmallows in a few.
I know already. I already
But wait,
know.
let's finish with this side. Let's finish with this side, okay? Show them what. So Jacob found another squishy ball. Okay. Cool, Kayla. You see what Kayla want to try to do to me? Yeah. You see what Kayla want to try to do to me? He trying to scare me with the spider. But I got something up on my sleeve too. They all trying to do it. And what's that? That's a pin?
You have to,
Diamond pin?
you want to,
Nicholas got scared off with it too.
I ain't get scared. I felt comfortable.
You putting the spider on there too?
Well, don't put no spider on me.
I want this.
Spider. Spider on me.
Mommy, I got bubble gum. Mommy, I got bubble gum.
Where you get? Oh, Nicholas bought the little bubble gums.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
I got bubble gum. Niggas never got me.
I told to get him to share, but he didn't want to share.
Mommy, can I have this?
Huh?
Can I get this?
Well, I'll think about it. Okay.
Oh, my son. Oh,
Why you gonna squish the buddy, bro? This is
That's what he's for. He's a squishy.
Mike Sowowski.
give it, I got.
They're kids. Okay, let's give them some squishmallows. So they have some big ones over here, but they have some ones on the other side too. So I'm gonna go look at them.
Mom, get TikTok on the TV. Mom, get TikTok on the TV.
The TikTok on the, oh, they got TikTok people on TV. Hold on, come here, Sarah. You too far from me. Y'all still playing with my Kazowski?
No, it's not him.
It's probably a goblin.
It's not him.
Guys,
It kinda
I'm loving this
resemble him.
puff for my baby girl.
Really?
Sassy said it's not Mike.
That kept stumbling, didn't it?
And that would have been a good, you know what? That probably would have been.
Oh, look, they have some more squishmallows, guys. Let me see. Okay, so we are in the mother lode, guys. Look what we found. Come, Sarah. Squishy mallows. Come, Sarah. Look, Sarah. The squishy mallows. She put that brought it down finally, guys. Look. Look, Sarah, look at this big old pink one. Oh, that is too cute. Wait, let me take your picture in that too. Hold on. So that was just too big for Sarah, but they have some here. But we did buy some at Five Below, so I don't know. Let's see if we're gonna buy one today. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. I got different ones. They feel so soft, guys. Yeah, and they feel so soft. I don't know if you hear me right, but they feel so soft. Guys, look at this tiny little squishy.
This is so cool, bro.
That is so small. What are you getting upset for?
It's so precious. Sarah, you ain't gonna get this one, Sarah.
Look, Sarah, look.
Look, you're not gonna get him. He's my friend. No. This is my friend.
Anytime Daddy says something disrespectful, he's gonna want to get it.
Mommy, what would it do?
My friend. Oh,
Kids are always playing.
this is my friend.
Jacob found this, guys. I don't think he's gonna want it though, but he do want to squish it.
It's a big bubble.
It's a big bubble.
Big bubble. So that's not a sock.
The kids been wanting a dog, but I'm not ready for a dog yet.
You are. Yes, you are.
No, we not.
You're getting a
Not
dog.
even a dog.
I'm already, guys, y'all already know I got a household full of kids, and I'm thinking about a dog. Hey, love, you couldn't let her enjoy it. Caleb's so terrible, guys. Caleb,
You know what?
he's so terrible. She's enjoying the dog, the fake dog. Look,
This
she's
is an
enjoying.
animatronic.
Caleb, stop. Let her enjoy it. All because they want a real dog.
You know what? You're not gonna play Minecraft no more, and you won't play Roblox no more. Because that's
All
it
right.
for Learning to Express, you guys.
All right, so we'll show you guys what we got when we get home. All right, it's kind of rainy, so we just want to get home. Huh?
Buy mine.
I did buy your candy. But anyways, all right, guys. Say bye, Learning Express.
Bye.
All right, this is the outside of the store.
Hey guys,
Hey
look.
guys.
Thank y'all for watching right now for the Fidget Toy Shopping at the Learning Express. Right now, as we finish this video, guys, the video was very long. What we're going to do is going to give y'all another part of it where we're showing the toys on Wednesday probably. We're going to put up another video about showing the toys that we got from Learning Express, guys. And also, what we want to do is give a birthday shout out. A birthday shout out.
To X Moon.
X Moon. Happy birthday! All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what, Caleb?
Hit the bell.
All right, guys. Thank y'all so much.
Don't forget, we're the podcast. Oh.